Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can update your Instagram Messenger if it's not working. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly, and let's jump right into it. Alright guys, so if your Messenger is not working, the first thing you need to require is obviously you have to check for the update. Go to your Google Play Store, search for Instagram and check if there is any update for Instagram is currently available. Then you have to update your Instagram to its latest version, because most of the time the reason behind these bugs and missing features is obviously the update. So you have to update Instagram to its latest version. And once you are done, now go ahead and check if the problem is fixed or not. So in the case if it's still the same, then go to your profile section and then go to settings. Then simply you have to link your account with your Facebook account. So go to account center, and right here we have an option to add Facebook account. If you tap on that, it will redirect you to any browser, and from there you can easily add your Facebook account. Alright guys, so after that, relaunch your Instagram. Now relaunch your Instagram and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if it's still the same, then in the last, what you need to do, you're gonna go to your profile, then go to settings, then account. Scroll down at the very bottom. Here you'll find switch to a professional account. Now I believe that switching to a professional account and back will get you most of the missing features that you haven't necessarily received yet from the Instagram. So just go ahead, switch your account type to the professional account, and then just again go to settings and then account and switch your account type to the personal account. Alright guys, so you have done with all the things. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. Now doing these three solutions will get you out of this problem. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.